Bienvenidos, bienvenue, welcome. Today we're going to be learning about linguistic diversity and how to support it, as well how to support the English language learner. As an English language learner myself, I have experienced some of these strategies and I have seen how they influence the learner's experience. First, it's very important that the instructor or the instructional designer is aware of the learner's culture. Remember, these learners are not only being introduced to a new language and a new linguistic barrier, but also to a new culture. It's very essential that the instructor know where the learners come from and what are some of their culture aspects that can be integrated into new lesson and meaningful lesson plans. Secondly, the instructor must make accommodations that align with the learner's needs. If the learner is experiencing difficulties following the lesson or expressing ideas, the instructor must slow down, speak clearly and slowly, and repeat hard to understand concepts to the learner. In this way, the learner can feel integrated and cared for in the process of learning. Also beneficial for the English language learners and to foster linguistic diversity is to create lessons that are applicable or have a real-life applicability. For instance, learning the vocabulary and the expressions needed at a bus stop. The learner will see that he can use or she can use his previous knowledge and translate that into the new circumstances and using the new language and culture standards that they're being introduced to. Also important is for the instructor to provide as many resources that can help the learner interiorize ideas and words. Provide as many images that can align to concepts and ideas in the lesson plan. For example, if the learner is learning about animals and animals' names, she or he already have previous knowledge. But if he is presented with an image and the word associated to that image, he can interiorize easier the concept. The same when we talk about food. The learner can use the word to associate it with the images. It's all about creating learning spaces, allow the learner to interact and to put in practice what he or she is learning. And be patient. Remember, being introduced to a different culture can be a very nerve-wracking experience. Work patiently with the new learner. What we learn about linguistic diversity is that it's present everywhere nowadays, in the classroom and in the workforce. English language learners connect with each other using technology and social media and networking to create new knowledge. Therefore, skilled and culturally conscious instructors are essential in the process of fostering linguistic diversity and helping English language learners to adapt to a new culture. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.